Parang bread data ang ginagawa natin. It looks like baby food.
Baby food?
It smells like baby food.
Oh, like gerber.
Tastes like baby food. Tama na to. Let's put it in.
Sige mo na.
Heavy. It's too heavy.
Sige, lagay mo na.
Let's go. Ang bigat kayo. Ang bigat ng bowl. Seconds?
Yes. Tandaan ka, mainit yung screen.
Is that enough?
Oo, tapos, ano mo na. 1 hour and ano.
How do I undo this?
That's it.
Okay na. Ano lang natin yung time. Okay. Yay! Sarap.
Oo.